Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Myself, Sani Islam from 7th standard. I study in a fourth educational system in Sheikh Sultan. Today I want to discuss about structure of atom. First of all, atom. What is atom? Atom is the smallest part of matter which takes place in chemical reaction. Structure of an atom. According to the proposed model by Rutherford, an atom is not a solid body. It has two regions, outer region and nucleus region. The nucleus region is present inside the atom is called the nucleus region. Outer region. The region around the nucleus is called the outer region. Different particles that found in an atom are called the subatomic particles. There are following three subatomic particles: electron, proton and neutron. First of all, electron. Electron is present in the outer region of the nucleus called shell's orbit. The electron has negatively charge on them. And the second is proton. They are positively charged on them, and the proton is present inside the nucleus of an atom. With the discovery of an atom, their mass is 1800 times greater than the electron. And the last is neutron. Other particles in the nucleus of an atom are neutrons. They are neutral and they have no charge on them. Known as a neutral object. Although subatomic particles have opposite charge on them, like electron have negative charge, proton have positive charge. They are neutral. It is because of an atom, the negatively charged particles are always equal to the positively charged particles. Atomic number. The number of a proton is called the atomic number. Mass number. The number of proton and neutron is called the mass number. The mass number is denoted by A and the atomic number is denoted by Z. Periodic table. The arrangement of elements in ascending order is called the periodic table. This modern periodic table is invented by Henry Moseley. Modern periodic table is discovered by Henry Moseley. Periods. What is periods? The arrangement of elements in horizontal rows is called the periods. There are 7 periods in an element. First period contains only 2 elements. Second and third period contain the 8 elements. 4 and 5 periods contain the 18 elements. 6 and 7 period contain the 32 elements. This shows is also belong to the 6 and 7 period groups. The arrangement of elements in vertical column is called the groups. There are 18 groups in periodic table. First, second, third, fourth, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 and 18. Thank you.